Today, you will learn how to change text direction in a Microsoft Word table from vertical to horizontal in the easiest way possible. First, click inside the table cell that contains the vertical text. Make sure the cursor is blinking inside that cell. Once you click there, a new tab will appear at the top of Microsoft Word called Table Layout. This tab only appears when you click inside a table. And look for an option called Text Direction. Click on Text Direction once, and you'll notice the text rotates to another direction. Keep clicking until the text becomes horizontal again. Usually it takes 1 or 2 clicks to switch from vertical back to normal horizontal text. After the text becomes horizontal, you can also adjust the alignment if needed. In the same Layout tab, you'll see alignment options like Align Center, Align Left, or Align Right. You can choose whichever style looks best for your table. This helps make your table cleaner and easier to read. If your text still doesn't fit properly, you can resize the table column by moving your mouse to the edge of the column and dragging it wider. Sometimes vertical text is used in narrow columns, so when you switch it back to horizontal, the text may need more space. Simply increase the column width and everything should look perfect. You can repeat the same steps for any other cells in your table. Just click inside another cell, select Text Direction, and switch it to horizontal. This works in Microsoft Word 2016, Word 2019, Word 2013, and many other versions as well. Another useful thing to know is that you can also change horizontal text into vertical text anytime using the same Text Direction button. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.